Hello, class. Welcome. So I'm going to continue the test review for the financial test, and I am now working on the third part of the video, which is hopefully going over 13 through 20. So let's see if we can finish this in one more recording session, okay? So problem number 13 says, that at age 30, you decide to deposit $150 at the end of each month into an IRA that pays 4.5% compounded monthly. So how much will you have? How much will have you? So they meant how much will you have? How much will have you when you retire? Okay, how much will you have when you retire at, let's say the person wants to retire at 65, okay? All right, so notice here how we are not depositing like one big lump sum. We are going to deposit 150 at the end of each month. And we're going to be doing this for a while. This plan is to begin at 30, and then the plan is to retire at 65 and to stop at that time. So when we estimate the time, this is where we'll have to use subtraction on the time and subtract the ages, subtract the 65 minus 30 to get the amount of time, okay? And as far as the formula goes, let me get my formula sheet out here. Let's see. So all these formulas, so the formula that we need will be this one right here. It's under the annuity, okay? And we're depositing $150. So that will be this PM, which sometimes is noted as, sometimes it may be noted as P. I've seen it from time to time as P, but the 150 will go here. And let's see. You want to know how much will you have? How much will you have when you retire? Okay, so we're trying to find A. We're trying to find A. Okay, so let me write something down. So this is going to be problem number 13. Okay, and I'm going to say I'm going to write down the value of an annuity and I'm going to put interest compounded in time per year. And I'm going to put here equal payments. Equal payments are made at the end of each month. In yearly compounding periods. All right. And so let me write down the formula. So A is equal to P sub M bracket 1 plus R over N, close parenthesis, raised to the NT minus 1, all over R over N. Okay. All right. So that's this one right here. Okay. Yeah. So one of the reasons why we're doing the annuity is it does say that it's an IRA. That's a keyword. That's part of a retirement annuity IRA. And also, one of the reasons why we're not using one of these formulas up here in particular, like this one, is because this, when we use this formula, it's compounded interest, you're putting in one large lump sum. You're investing one large lump sum, okay? A one-time deal that you're investing. Here, we're putting several payments, several deposits over and over. So that would be how you would distinguish that, okay? And then also the IRA helps, keyword for annuity, okay? And so for us, we're depositing $150. So I have a equal to this $150, where I divide it by 100 on my calculator. That gives me 0.045. So this is 0.045. And as far as my N goes, this is going to be, N is 12, because it does say monthly. Okay, so there's your R, and then N is monthly. And this was your P sub M, 150. So N is 12. And then T, the way you figure T is you started at age 30, and then you continued until you were 65. That's the plan. So I'm going to do 65 minus 30, and that would be my time. Okay, so 65 minus 30 is 35 years. Okay, so that's why this is equals 12 times 35. Okay, and 12 times 35 is 420. Okay. And then on the bottom, R again is 0.045 divided by 12. Okay, now let me see if this terminates. Let me see what 0.045 divided by 12 is. 0.045 divided by 12. Okay, good. See how that terminates? And I'm going to add 1 to that. Good. And so that's going to be 1.00375. And then that's raised to the 420th power. Okay. And you have to be careful. There's something else missing, the numerator. And you need to be careful not to forget about it on your test. See this annoying little -1? Yeah, sometimes I put the -1 first. Sometimes I'll write that first because I don't want to forget about, like I almost did once I do this calculation. But this is, see, a -1. And you see that here in the formula. So you do need to be careful because it's real easy to forget on accident and leave it off. But that -1 goes there. And put that back here. Okay. Okay, and then on the bottom, like we said, when you do 0.045 divided by 12, that was 0.00375. Okay, all right. So now I'm going to make use of this N over D key on my calculator. And again, this N over D key is right here. See that? This is good, a good setup. See this fraction bar like that? You want that. If you don't have that, you need to go to mode. And if you don't have it, it's probably because it's on classic. You need to change it to math print. So it's real easy. You just use these down arrows here, and then you can change that. So if I go here to classic, I do that. You see when I hit N over D, see how it's got that slant? You don't want that. You want this like this horizontal straight across. So you go to mode, press down here, and then tab to the right and hit enter. I want math print. Okay, then go back to N over D. See that? Okay, so then it just makes it so much easier to input that. So then in the top, you've got 150. Okay. And then inside here, I'm going to do parentheses. They have a bracket, but you could, that's okay. You can do parentheses. I'm going to take this number and raise it to the 4/20th power. So really, I'm going to take these parentheses off here. You don't really need these parentheses anymore. But you've got that number. Whoops, what happened? Let's see. Let me see. I accidentally typed that. So 150, open parentheses, 1.00375. And then you're going to hit this, the caret key, this hat key here. Hit that key. So it raises it to the 420th power. Okay, then you want to bring that down. So you want to hit this right arrow. So in these keys, let's see, oops. So you see these keys, you want to hit this right arrow here. See that brings it back down. And now you can type in the -1. And minus, not the negative. So just minus. One, and then close that. Okay, and then they said simplify your answer round to nearest dollar. Okay, nearest dollar. So nearest dollar is the ones place. So it's right here. Okay, and look at the number to the right. Is that 5 or more? No. So this stays the same. And see, this is not a P. If we were solving for a P, then that's when you have to round up. Okay, so make sure you're falling short of your financial goals if you're solving for P. Okay, but this is not one of those problems. This is we're solving for A. So just round to the ones place. They set the nearest dollar. This is not 5 or more. This is in the tenths place. This is tens. This is hundreds for cent. Okay, they said nearest dollar. Ones place. So look at the neighbors. Is 5 or more? No. It stays the same. So this is 152,661. Okay. All right. So that's 13. Okay. Okay, now let's go to 14. So again, you identify your formula, you do your substitutions, okay? And then you use your calculator, type that in, put the exact on your paper, and then your answer, you look for your right answer choice.